Hello, everyone. Today I am going to discuss the form Schedule C, Profit and Loss from Business with you. The form Schedule C is used by sole proprietors and independent contractors to report their income and expenses from their trade or business. Typically, 1099 miscellaneous income is reported on the Schedule C. I say typically because not all 1099 miscellaneous income is reported on the Schedule C. Only that income earned in your trade or business is reported on the Schedule C. If you earned miscellaneous income during the tax year and you do not have a trade or business, that income is reported on line 21 of the Form 1040 as other income. As for the Schedule C, it is divided into 5 parts. It's a 5-part form. Part 1 is income. Part 2, expenses. Part 3, cost of goods sold, COGS, COGS. Part 4, information on your vehicle or vehicles used during the trade of your business or in the trade of your business. And Part 5 is other expenses. These are miscellaneous expenses that are not listed in Part 2 of the form. Now, please note that as a sole proprietor or independent contractor using the form Schedule C, you will pay self-employment tax, SE tax. What is self-employment tax? In brief, it's Social Security and Medicare. It's the same taxes that they take out of your check listed as Social Security and Medicare taxes. It's just listed as self-employment tax on the Schedule C because that's exactly what it is. It's self-employment tax. So those are not additional taxes that you're paying that you would not pay if you were an employee receiving a W-2. Now, as for the Schedule C, you are allowed to claim necessary and reasonable deductions that's incurred during the tax year in your trade or business. And when I say necessary and reasonable, I mean, let me give you an example. You're going on a business trip, you have a conference or something to that effect, and you can stay at a hotel for $100 a night, but you choose to stay at a ritzy hotel and pay $500 a night. Well, let's just put it this way. If you're ever audited, more than likely, that expense is going to be denied by the IRS. Why? Because it's not necessary or reasonable. So anyway, again, keep in mind that the expenses need to be necessary and reasonable to claim them. For more information regarding the Schedule C, you can visit www.audiotaxhelp.com. That's www.audiotaxhelp.com. There you will find an audio recording explaining the different parts of the Schedule C. Also, I want to mention that if you have other tax questions or tax matters that you'd like assistance with, Please feel free to Google tax.appeal.168. That's tax.appeal.168. That is my username for one of the reputable Q&A sites that's online. You will find various links to questions, many questions, that I've successfully answered for taxpayers throughout the US, in Australia, and some in the United Kingdom. So again, Google tax.appeal.168. That's TAX dot APPEAL.168. Well, I thank you for listening and watching. This concludes my discussion with you today, and I hope the information helps to make your life a little less taxing.